now in the year 2050. We live in an atmosphere nearly free of the most dangerous greenhouse gases, in a land beyond fossil fuels, a carbon-neutral Earth. And that's why we call it New Earth. That we've reached the future is obvious, but debates about how it happened rage on, looking for an answer to the greatest mystery of our generation. Who built New Earth?
We need to be prepared to prevent the worst from happening. Could we maybe remove CO2 from the air somehow?
有没有可能我们把我们不想要的这种废弃的二氧化碳转化成我们想要的这种粮食、主粪，比如说淀粉，
转化成现在人类可以使用的这个燃料分子？液态阳光这个精髓在这，所以就相当于是把太阳能储存到一个液体的分子，而这液体的甲醇呢，它像我们的一般的汽油和柴油。
Imagine a building that can self-repair. Imagine a building that could clean itself. I think one of the surprising things I learned is the ability of fungi to bind material together, and that immediately struck me as something that could be useful.
You can really build amazing things out of bamboo. This building is beyond CO2 neutral. It is negative. In fact, it's 8 tons of CO2 equivalent negative.
每年有5到7万平方公里的我们原先的土地变为沙漠，或者说成为沙漠化的土地，变成了不能生长的植物的土地。能够想到我们一个搞力学的人，能够通过这样一种技术，可以让这样的一片荒凉的土地，让它重新恢复生机，所以实际上心情是很激动，也充满了期待。
有人说，那你黄土高原为什么要造林？这么困难的地方不造林行不行呢？我认为啊，造成林子会比不让它荒着，让它产生水土流失更好。
We're facing a big trouble with, the way that we're growing our food. We are an urban farm. We don't need land to farm protein. We probably have 3 cattle farms inside this shipping container.
The stage of the research we're at, we're trying to understand the fundamentals of how clouds respond and whether that's likely to be enough to help the reef or not. Some people might think of it as playing God, but the way I see it, we've only got 2 options. We either start to develop technologies that will allow us to live on the planet more sustainably, or we just keep going until we crash and burn.
If we don't manage, then there's no future for humanity.
People survive because they didn't give up.
我们的这个理念，我们的这种坚持已经变为现实。